Hey everyone. So in the previous video, I have shown you that how we can identify or hunt for open redirection vulnerabilities. So in this video, we are going to just see that how we can escalate open redirection vulnerability into cross-site scripting vulnerability. So if you haven't checked out my previous video, then I recommend you to please check that out in order to have more and more clarity for this video. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have the return URL parameter, and we know that this parameter was vulnerable to open redirection, right? So instead of specifying a particular URL over here, I'm just going to specify the JavaScript payload. So I'm just going to type JavaScript and alert, let's say document.cookie. Okay, so if this particular parameter is vulnerable to cross-site scripting as well, then it should alert us a cookie in the browser, right? So I'm just going to hit enter. Let's wait for a few seconds, and now it is loaded. And here what we need to do is we need to specify our credentials. So I'm just going to type mine, and let's see what happens after that. I'm just going to click on login, and let's see what happens. Perfect. As you can see, we were successfully able to execute or escalate this vulnerability into cross-site scripting. So which means that if we are able to escalate this vulnerability to cross-site scripting, which means that now this vulnerability has more impact and it has more bounty than the open redirection vulnerability. So I hope you understand that how we can escalate open redirection to cross-site scripting. If you have any doubts, then please leave your doubt in the comment section, and thanks for watching.